This is an Alberta emergency alert. Yellowhead County has issued an evacuation order for the east part of Yellowhead County. Evacuation starts at the Pembina River to Range Road 101. North border is Township Road 550 and south border to Township Road 520. Includes Evansburg, Wildwood, Lobstick, Hansonville. Anyone in the area needs to evacuate. The evacuation route is west on Highway 16. A reception center at the Edson Leisure Centre. Bus transport to Edson from Tipple Park Museum and the Wildwood Community Hall. Evacuate the area. Updates at Yellowhead County's Facebook page and website for updates. Call 1-833-334-4630 for assistance.